muna, isa lang. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Yan! Gagawin niyo po yan ng doble. For example, 5, 5, 5, 5. Yan ha. Pero! 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Wait lang, hindi sabay-sabay.
Agalan mo madali.
Five, 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 five. 10, 10,